Assalamualaikum. Today I want to share how to do backup, okay, for the course that you had for the previous semester and how to restore the course that you had in the previous semester in your current semester. So let's begin. Okay, so basically you need to go to your Elearn. So I'm typing here Elearn USM, so you'll be able to see this link. Okay, then you'll be typing that. So these are my current semester. So let's say I'm actually interested to do backup for the previous semester. I'll go to my previous semester and go to the course archive. So these are the courses that I have in the previous academic calendar. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay, and then you need to log in again because this is the courses that you have in the previous semester. So log in again. And then now you can actually see the list of courses that I have in the previous academic calendar, which I'm going to do the backup and I'm going to restore in my current semester. So I have to be in my previous Elearn for the previous academic calendar. So let's say I want to do backup for this subject. Okay, so I have this this subject, which is offered in my previous semester or previous academic calendar. So the things that you need to do is that you turn editing on. Okay, and then you'll be clicking backup. Okay, there's some symbol here, a gear symbol, and then you'll be clicking add backup. Okay, then you will continue jump to the final step. You don't have to press next. Instead of pressing next after next, then you just click at jump to final step. Okay. You need to wait for a while, and this also would depend on your internet line as well. Okay, so it will be faster if it comes with a good internet line. Okay, but it will be slower if it comes with very bad internet line. So we just wait for a while. Okay, now it has been successfully the backup has been successfully created. Now you press continue. Okay, so now you really have to go down and look at the list of files that you have in the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see that remember I have completed my backup for YSP512. Okay, now what you need to do is just to download this file. Okay, so once you download, it goes to your downloaded folder. Okay, let us press download here. Okay, this may take a while depending on the amount of content that you have in your course. So it will take quite a while. So I'm going to just wait for a few minutes. Okay, now you can see that this backup file has been downloaded and it is actually available in your download folder. Okay, and now you can actually go to the new you go to Elearn again. You go to Elearn again, and you go to the semester that you offer the subject here. So basically the semester I have it here. Okay, so this is YSP512. So I'm going to click here. Okay, and this is what I have because I have restored the course. So I'm going to go to I have to go back. Okay, I need to go to the gear. There's a gear symbol here, and then click restore. Okay, once you click restore, you need to choose import backup file. Okay, so choose the file. Okay, so choose the file. And go to your download folder. Okay, and find your YSP512. So you'll be clicking here and click open. Okay, and then you click upload this file. Okay, so it takes a while. Okay, now you can see the file is being imported into the new Elearn for the new academic calendar. Now what you need to do is just press restore. Okay, just press restore. And it takes a while to do. Okay, once you press restore, you need to just continue, press continue until the final step. Okay, so press continue until the final step, then you'll be able to see the course has been restored. Okay, thank you.